Imagine boarding a spacecraft and blasting off at the ultimate cosmic speed. The speed of light. What happens to time? And what about your age? Get ready for a mind-bending journey into the laws of physics, where time isn't what it seems. We're used to time ticking the same for everyone. Wake up, grow older, repeat. It's simple, right? But Einstein showed us that reality gets weird when you move really, really fast. And nothing moves faster than light. According to Einstein's theory of special relativity, the faster you travel, the slower your time passes compared to someone standing still. This effect is called time dilation. Let's say you're racing through space at nearly the speed of light. To you, everything feels normal and your clock ticks as usual. But to people back on Earth, your clock and your body are running slow. While a year might pass for you, many years could pass for those you left behind. As your speed increases, the effect gets more extreme. At 99% of light speed, time for you runs 7 times slower than on Earth. At 99.9999%, years flash by for your friends while you barely age. But you can never quite reach light speed, because it would require infinite energy. What if you somehow did hit the speed of light? Here's the wild part. For you, time would completely stop. You wouldn't age at all while moving at that speed. This is how it works for photons, particles of light. For them, the universe is timeless. Their entire journey happens in an instant from their own point of view. But remember, only massless particles like photons can travel at light speed. For anything with mass, including you, a speed that great is forever out of reach. What about speeds we can imagine, like astronauts orbiting Earth? Even here, time runs just a tiny bit slower for the astronauts than for us on the ground. At everyday speeds, the effect is so small you'll never notice. But crank up the speed, and time dilation becomes wild science fiction brought to life. So, what happens if you could travel at the speed of light? Time would slow down for you. You'd age less than everyone you left behind. At light speed itself, time would stand still for you. But since actual light speed travel isn't possible for humans, the closest we can get is dreaming and learning from the particles of the universe. Their journeys show us just how strange and wonderful time can be. Curious about more cosmic mysteries? Subscribe and blast off with us next time.